like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. Yeah, ooh. My life be like, yeah, ooh. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs for when I stray. Yeah, a lot of sacrifice in the price you pay.
Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of Wire Recoveries, and today we are working on this guy's wire. Yes, yeah, he snapped his timing belt, so we are going to try and replace that. Yep. So Ivan, what do we do now? Yes. And then from there, so we are trying to fit the timing chain. Yes, the timing chain. So we're going to undo this one here. We're going to unscrew this timing chain cover and then fit it, and hopefully this guy can ride again. Do you need some help, Ivan? Do you need help? Okay, I'm coming. So our timing chain cover is out, and we're going to try and put the chain back, starting from here. Ivan, come and help me. Hold here. Thank you. Hold. Yes, good hold. And put here, this side. It's coming out, Sunny. Okay. Okay, so the chain is back in, but it is loose. So we are going to loosen this here on the other side and try and push the tire a little bit back so that the chain can be tight, so it can't snap once boost kicks in. So yeah, that's Ivan removing it. Give me some. Okay, so the timing chain has been replaced. Hold, Ivan. And hold it. Good. Doesn't seem to be going out. Now we are going to have to adjust the Recaro seats, and yeah, see how that goes. Yeah, just trying it there. It's not snapping out. Okay, let's see. Rotate it. Okay, cool. So yeah, we are just going to have to replace the cover now, put the cover back, and go for a ride. Huh? I put it back? I put it back. Which one? Okay, cool. I think we're done here. It's all set up. Ivan, stand up. Come. Try it out. Okay. There we go. Thank you. Aha. Hold here. Let's go. B. Leave a comment in the comment section below, like, and please subscribe. From us from Wild Recoveries, as deuces. Say deuces. Bye bye.